From the KATC Weatherland, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, beauty out there today. Not a bad day tomorrow. Winds, though, picking up tomorrow afternoon and evening, and colder weather as we head into the weekend. Saturday looking a little gloomy, cloudy, and it's going to be chilly. We're not going to get out of the 40s Saturday during the day and heading for the 30s Saturday night. So let's take a look at that big picture across much of the U.S. And here comes another upper level low. We thought this one would come through dry, but that is not the case. If you look closely, first off, though, yesterday's weather maker already up here in the Great Lakes. Here comes another upper level low. Notice the subtropical jet stream, our nemesis in the wintertime, which keeps the weather quite changeable. We'll be ushering in those high clouds during the day tomorrow, and this upper low is going to move right over Louisiana as we head into Saturday, and with it bring cloud cover, some misty light rain, and it's going to hold temperatures in the 40s Saturday. So be ready for some winter weather and dress warmly for all the parades starting tomorrow night and going through Saturday and Saturday evening as well. There will be a wind chill just across the board. Generally quiet now. You can still see precip off to the east of us, and here comes our next upper level low, and you can see a frontal boundary with it, the packing of the isobars right here, and it's producing snow in the Texas Panhandle. So we know there's some cold air behind this one, and we're going to feel it as we head into tomorrow night, especially going into Saturday. Now, going back to yesterday, these are the storm reports, wind damage reports. Obviously, we had reports over toward Tangipahoa Parish where there was an EF2 tornado, some pretty significant damage there. But want to concentrate on the tornado survey that the National Weather Service did for northern St. Landry Parish. And here's the radar going back to around 6:45, 7 o'clock last night. And there may have been an isolated tornado here by the Grand Prairie area. No word if the Weather Service checked that out. But we get just east of the Morrow area by the Big Cane area, just west of Big Cane, right along Highway 107. National Weather Service survey came in, and they had about a 100-yard wide tornado touch down just south of Highway 107 and tracked northeastward for about 1.5 miles. It did damage about 5 homes and a few outbuildings. Several trees were snapped or uprooted, and there were power outages there as well. So a little bit more on that. And just let's stop the imagery. This is where the tornado was with respect to the thunderstorm, southwestern flank, shortly after 7 o'clock last night. So that was a pretty intense cell. And we did have some fair bit of reports of wind damage across the area, but mostly moderate. Nothing too major, so that is the good news. Some fences down here and there, but that's what we were telling you. Wind damage was going to be the main threat with those storms yesterday. So as we head overnight tonight through tomorrow, temperatures dipping down into the 40s. Most areas. We'll get to the temperature forecast, but notice high clouds coming in tomorrow afternoon, so the sun gets dulled. Here comes that upper level low that we were showing you on the map earlier. That's going to be producing some shower activity. Might even see some sleet pellets up in the northern part of the state, and might see 1 or 2 sleet pellets with this system, but we're going to be in the 40s, mid 40s for Saturday morning, but the wind chill more than likely dipping down into the upper 30s. And then for Saturday afternoon, look at the cloud cover staying here. Temperatures stay in the 40s, wind chills in the upper 30s. And even though not overtly shown, there's probably going to be some mist or drizzle or patches of light rain. So I got to go 40% on the rain chances for Saturday. Just kind of a yucky day. Clears out Saturday evening. If you're going to the Rio Parade, lower 40s, wind chills in the 30s. Again, dress warmly for the parades. At least it'll be dry for that. And then going into Sunday, we're going to start out partly cloudy or mostly sunny, temperatures in the 30s, but then warm up into the upper 50s. So Sunday looking better than Saturday, and you got the Super Bowl going Sunday afternoon. So temperatures low to mid 40s, northern portions of Acadiana, mid to upper 40s, I-10 corridor by daybreak tomorrow, and upper 40s to lower 50s coastal parishes. And then a little bit of a warm up tomorrow, not quite as mild as today, but we'll get into the mid 60s for sure. And then tomorrow night, that's when we'll see temperatures dropping. Parade time, upper 40s, lower 50s with wind chills about 10 degrees cooler. And then as we head into Saturday, notice temperatures don't change a whole lot. We stay in the 40s. So overnight tonight, generally fair skies, seasonable temperatures right where we should be this time of year, mid to upper 40s, 49 the low. Some of those high clouds clouds coming in during the course of the overnight hours, and tomorrow starting off partly sunny. More high clouds, though, into the afternoon. We'll go nearly as mild as today, about 67 the high. Winds, though, shifting around the northwest at 15. I'm kind of showing the wind particles across the area. That's kind of cool, so you can see which direction the winds are coming in at across the city of Lafayette. So as we move forward, a wind chilly Saturday, staying in the 40s, low to mid 30s Sunday morning. We'll probably see light freezing temperatures northern portions of Acadiana. Then it's milder Sunday afternoon, back into the 70s next week, but it comes attached with rain chances, and there could be a little bit of a severe weather threat and some locally heavy thunderstorms anytime between Tuesday through next Thursday. Right now, Tuesday looks to be the biggest day for rain chances, but we'll see lingering rain chances Wednesday into Thursday before it cools off again, and going into next weekend, at least next weekend, looking pretty good. No forecast for Mardi Gras right yet, because yesterday, if you asked me, I would have said maybe some rain. Today it's looking drier. Lower 70s perhaps. That's a guess.
That's a
12
guess.
days out, it's anybody's guess at this point.
All righty. Thank you, Robin.